If you ever need to connect GitHub to another app or tool, like for example Antigravity, vscode, or any automation tool, you are going to probably need something called GitHub Personal Access Token, as you can see. And this basically works like a password for apps, but you can control what it can access and you can turn it off anytime. So creating one is very simple. And firstly, you want to go to github.com. You want to click on your profile in top right corner, click on settings. In the settings, we want to look for developer settings. It should be at the bottom over here, developer settings. And from here, we can create our personal access tokens. So you have two options now. You can create fine-grained token, which is basically a newer version of the token. This one might be safer to create because you are not going to give access to everything, and you can choose exactly the repositories you want to get access. But then you have this token classic, which is the old one, and this is basically going to give broad access to your whole GitHub account. From here you can see your current token. This is my old token, so I can delete this, and I can click on generate new token, the classic one. Here it wants to verify my email address, so I'll verify it simply. And now from this menu you want to name this key, so for example we can name it test key. And you can set the expiration when the token should expire, so you can keep it like no expiration, you can do custom, or you can keep it on 30 days. And then the scopes are basically the permissions you are going to allow to this token. So you can select your specific scopes, or if you select all, you are going to be able to do all of the actions which are over here listed. And after you selected your scopes, you can simply click on generate token, and this is going to generate this token which you can copy. So make sure to copy because it's not going to be seeable again. And now you can paste it where you need it. So I can paste it in my Antigravity, and I can click on save. And now I have my GitHub MCP server connected to Antigravity. So now as an example, I can show you what this can do. So now if I, for example, want to create a new repository in my GitHub using Antigravity, so let's say I have this simple HTML site and I can type prompt create new repository in GitHub named hello123, push the code here. So we want to push this code in new repository, which is going to be created by Antigravity. So I can send this prompt, and this is it. A new GitHub repository was created, so you can open this link, and the index.html file was pushed over here to main branch, so we can check it. So I can open my GitHub, I can go to the main menu or homepage, and here we should find it. So I'm going to search for it because I have a lot of repositories. It should be called hello123, and this is it. This was just a quick example how you can use this key, this personal access token. So you can use it like this for connecting MCP GitHub server to your code editing software like Antigravity, and then you can do stuff like this. So you can see the index.html file here, and this is all for this video. So this is how you can find your GitHub personal access token. You have to go to your settings and then developer settings, and you can create it from here. You can create either the fine grained token or token classic.